Hi, hello. In the previous session, we discussed about variables. In this session, we'll discuss more about string operations. In general, strings are objects. It contains sequence of character data. In this session, we'll talk more about string manipulations, inbuilt methods which works on strings, and extracting portion of a string. Let's see how string responds to operators like plus and asterisk. We'll start with the operator plus. Let's define two strings. A equal to hi, B equals to hello. Now A plus B, hi, hello. The plus operator concatenate strings. Print hi plus hello, right? So it acts as a concatenator. Now let's see asterisk. A equal to hi. I will apply asterisk operator on A asterisk 10. It creates multiple copies of a string under one reference. It repeated same string 10 times. A into 2, it repeated 2 times. Let's use negative integers. A asterisk -5 empty string. Let's use 0, A asterisk 0. So both returned empty string. The multiplier must be an integer, must be non-zero, must be positive integer, otherwise it gives empty string. Now I'm going to declare a string like A equal to I'm Python developer. Now I want to know, does this string contains Python in this or not? How can I do that? So here we can use in operator. It is like Python in A, which returns true. That means the in operator helps us to search sequence of characters in a string. It returns Boolean if given substring exists in the string, it returns true, otherwise false. Now let's alter the same thing. We'll just change the case. So it's a strictly case sensitive. So here the in operator returns Boolean value, returns true if it exists, otherwise returns false. Remember that it is case sensitive. At the same time, there is also not in operator which does the opposite. It is like Python not in A, which is false. Python is in it. Now same thing we can alter with case which returns true. This is about in and not in operators. We can apply a couple of Python built-in functions on strings like length. Basically we use this method to find length of a string. Let's say A equal to how are you, and you can apply length method on A which returns you length of the string. So there is another useful method called str. Anytime if you want to convert an integer or any numeric thing, int, float, to a string, this method will be useful. Like for example, a equal to 10. If I say a, if I see the type of a, it's an integer. I want to convert this to a string. Now we can use str a, which converts integer to string. Let's see type of this. Type of str a. It's a string. So these are mostly used Python inbuilt methods on string. There are many string provided inbuilt functions. We will see them in later sessions. Let's see string indexing. In Python, strings are ordered sequence of character data. Individual characters in a string can be accessed through index. The first character index starts with 0. The second has index 1 and so on. So the index of the last character will be the length of the string minus 1. Now let's say yes equal to Python example. If we want to know the first character, use index 0, which returns first character. Similarly, if I want to know the second, then this is the one. If I want to know at 7th, this is the one. I want to know the last index, it's like length of the string minus 1 returns the last character. Now when you try to attempt index beyond the length, it will return error. For example, here the length of the string is 11. Sorry, let's check. Length of the string is 14. Now what if we give 15 as an index? Yes, 15 returns an error. String index out of range error. So negative index works in Python. It supports negative indexing. Let's see the behavior. If I give yes minus 1, it is returning the last character. If I give minus 2, it returns last but 1. So the negative indexing returning characters in the reverse order. Let's see string slicing. Slicing helps to extract substrings from a string. So the syntax mostly looks like, I'll put it in commands. Your string reference, desired start index, and you have to specify desired end index. Let's define a string here. Yes equal to hello Python developer. So now I want to extract hello. So start index is 0. My desired start index is 0. And how many characters? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to give 5. The reason is it always starts with 0. Give the characters till the end index specified minus 1. That means here from index 0 to 4th till 4th index it returns you. If we omit the first index, the slice starts at beginning of the string. For example, if I say the same one above, I have omitted, right? So it starts with 0. Similarly, if you omit the second index, the slice extends the first index through the end of the string. like if I say yes starts with 5, I omit the second index. From 5th index onwards, it returns till the end. So this is how slicing will work. What happens if we omit both indexing? Let's see. It gives entire string. So now here negative indexing also works in slicing. Now I can say yes -4 -1 returns last few characters. Let me introduce you step in the slicing. So what I mean, I'm going to add another parameter here, like yes, start index is 0 and I want characters till 10, and I'm introducing something called 2. So this means give me a string which starts with 0 till index 10 by skipping every second character. So the last one is a step. So it gives from 0th index till 10th index by skipping every second character from it. So now if you want a better example, let's say s equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Now if you say yes, okay, let me put this way, s equal to 1 2 3 4 5, repeat 5 times, then print what s it is. Oh sorry, my bad. S equal to 1 2 3 4 5 multiply with 5. Now look into yes. Now get every 5th character. Right? So this is about strings. We'll learn more about strings in our coming sessions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.